Hi, I'm Sean Morsey with RM Equipment, your state of Iowa sales representatives for Remlinger Manufacturing. Remlinger Manufacturing has been in business for over 50 years making custom Harrow attachments for a variety of different types of tillage equipment. And wanted to make a quick video for you today. This will be for both dealers and customers alike, just to get you an idea of the types of information that we need to put together a custom Harrow quote for each operation. So a couple of reasons why we'd want to go with a custom Harrow. One, say we've got a new piece of tillage equipment on the dealer lot that was ordered in without a Harrow. This is a pretty common practice for areas where you've got a variety of different operations, different cropping systems going on in a dealer's territory, a variety of different soil types where different Harrows are going to work better in different types of soil conditions. It's a pretty popular way to do it, and it's a pretty good system with getting the type of tillage piece that the customer wants matched up with the type of Harrow that's going to work best for their operation. So probably the most popular reason we go with a custom Harrow is on a piece of tillage equipment that's already in the customer's operation and the existing Harrow is worn out. It's getting old, it's not very good performance anymore. So now would be a good time to look at either replacing that Harrow system or upgrading that Harrow system. A lot of what we see for upgrading like field cultivators, for example, would be going to a 3-bar coil tine with a flat bar rolling basket. This works very well all across the state, except for a few areas where spike drags are a little more popular. But for most of the state of Iowa, that 3-bar coil tine with a flat bar rolling basket is going to have very good performance for spring tillage. So let's go ahead and talk about a couple of the things we need to know to put together a quote for each piece of tillage equipment. So first off, we're going to need to know the make and model. What machine are we working with to start with? So that gives us a place to start, and we'll have most of the frame sizes in the system, and we can get going from there. Second up, we're going to need to know the dimensions of the machine, or the specs. And by that, I mean we need to know what machine are we working with, or what size of machine are we working with. So if this is your tillage machine, just as a rough idea, what's the overall working width? What's actually working in the ground? So the overall working width. And then once we know that, we need to know what the center section is. With those two measurements, we can get it we can pull it up in our system. It doesn't matter whether it's a bifold, trifold, or 5-winning machine. Odds are we've got it in the system. We've done thousands of different Harrow combinations on a lot of different pieces of tillage equipment. So if you can get us the make and model and the specs, one important note on actually measuring this, it's best to actually get it out of the shed, pull it out from behind the grove, hook it up and get it unfolded, then put a tape on it. And then go all the way across for the working width, and then on the center section, I like to go from the folding point or the hinge pin and just put a tape on one hinge pin to the next and get us that. So again, overall working width and the center section. And then finally, we just need to know what Harrow you want to go with. So if you want to replace your existing Harrow with the same style, just a newer one, We've got a lot of different options that are available in the literature that we drop off at the dealers, as well as online. If you want to look at pictures of each Harrow style online, go to remlingermfg.com. Take a look, see what looks good, talk to your neighbors, see what they're working with, what's working well for them. We've got a lot of different options out there. And as far as who your dealer is, feel free to get a hold of us directly. Any of the major dealers are going to have access to the custom Harrows, being that these are they're custom ordered for each piece of equipment. It's not really a stocking item. It's not something that you're going to order in pre-season and stock up on. They pretty much have to be ordered custom for each piece of equipment. So that allows pretty much each one of the major dealerships to have access to the lineup. So just talk to your local dealer and get us this information. We'll get you a quote, and we'd be happy to work with you. Again, you can check out the literature or go to remlingermfg.com. And again, I am Sean Morrissey, and thanks for your business.